Transgender patients can continue receiving gender-affirming care after a Missouri court ruling came down earlier today. A judge issued a restraining order against Attorney General Andrew Bailey's proposed restrictions on trans care for minors and adults. Our political editor, Mark Maxwell, has new reaction from candidates challenging Bailey and from patients who say they feel pressured to move out of Missouri. Mark?
Mike, Missouri families in the trans community fear their doctors or health care providers may move out of the state and leave them with little to no choice to move out too. They describe the Attorney General's emergency rule to restrict access as an abuse of state power against individual liberty. Bailey faced criticism from Secretary of State Jay Ashcroft, a Republican, last month, who said he wouldn't want to defend this kind of a rule restricting an adult's freedom to choose. Today, he also took heat from this guy, Republican challenger Will Scharf's campaign, who said it's disappointing to see an Attorney General's office that used to win important cases like this under Hawley and Schmidt lose under Bailey. One of the Democrats running for that job said singling out such a small group of people in such a high-profile manner shows the AG's priorities are on getting attention for himself and not protecting the consumer or patient safety.
We've got a lot of other issues we got to deal with in Missouri that should take a very high priority, including our crime rate, violent crime, all these other issues before you're starting to take health care away from individuals in Missouri.
We've people dying from opioid addiction, okay? No one is dying because of the dose of testosterone they're receiving in their gender-affirming health care. Parents have to be involved in these decisions in order to get payment for them.
Bailey's office said, quote, "We remain confident in our position." That's because the court hasn't yet ruled on the merits or the science itself. That next court hearing is scheduled for May 11. That's just one day before the House and Senate is scheduled to wrap up its work in Jefferson City.